तो हेलो गाइस, गैजेट रॉकर में आपका स्वागत है। तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए रेड सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करें और उसके बगल में बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें फॉर लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। So hey guys, this is Aurab and you watching the Gadget Rocker. So today there is a quick review of the Nikon DSLR L340. Now the quick review including the lots of features of this Nikon Cool L340 DSLR camera, and there is a lots of features. There is an on and off button in this DSLR camera, and the zoom out and zoom and the capture button, and having the more important thing, there is a flash button. To press the flash button, the flashes come out from a box. Okay, this is a cool feature of this DSLR L340. Okay, now move some other buttons which are the right panel of this DSLR. So now first is the screenshot button, and having to create the screens, press this button, and having the preview button to seeing the preview, and having the flash button, and to adjust the brightness button, and to create the lots of scene button, and the last one is the timer button. Okay. Now having the one delete button to click delete your pictures, and having the menu button to customize your settings. Okay. Now having the video recording button is also. So this camera is very low budget camera. It's coming in the price of 12 to 16,000, and having the good clarity I'm using from last 10 days. I got the better response of this camera. So now we are trying to put out the camera cover. So after removing the camera cover, you can see there is a 20 optical wide optical zoom. The clarity of this camera is quite good, and in this video is made on the purposes of the only for the zooming quality of this camera, because the memory card is not present inside this camera. So I try to open the camera by pressing the on and off button. So by pressing the on and off button, the camera turns on. It gets a few minutes to on, and you can see the out of memory. I'm very sorry for the inconvenience. I'm only to review of the zooming quality of this camera. You can see the zooming quality of the camera. We try to take some out pictures of this camera. We try to take the outdoor pictures. You can see the zooming quality of this camera is very good. I'm using for last 10 days. I'm saying this word is again and again because this camera is under the price point is very good. So move on to some other feature of this camera. So move on to some other feature of this camera. We press the sheen button to see some features, having the beauty brush, portrait mode, and using some filters, and having the camera to screen the shot. Okay, so we finally come to the menu button. What's the feature in the menu button is come? So the copy button, and having the lots of option in the time and zone settings, monitor setting, and lots of settings including this camera to customize your quality of the videos and photos which taken from. So friends, in this video in the last section, we compare the quality of the 4K action camera and then Nikon DSLR L340. Which one is better? You can find the last section of this video. So thank you and have a nice day. Now we turn off the camera by pressing the on and off button when the camera is turned off. Now friends, this is the MG Cool Explore Pro 2. This is an 4K action camera having the good clarity. And then on the right hand there is a Coolpix, Nikon Coolpix L340 DSLR camera. We take some photo from both these cameras. I am trying to show you the both pictures in this video section. Which one is the more clarity? Comment on my comment box. Which one is better, that in MG collection mode and Coolpix?